Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to be painting this pumpkin truck. It is a paint by line, which means that all the product is been etched with this design, so you don't have to worry about freehanding it. It makes it super easy. I'm going in first with the color Sea Glass to base coat my truck, and a number 12 flat. And all the paint I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint. Also the brushes I use and the cutout. All of it can be purchased on buildacross.com. I'm going in right now with the color Terracotta for my pumpkins. And terracotta is my absolute favorite color for pumpkins. It's a muted orange. And I prefer this versus a brighter orange like Florida orange. I'm going in now with chocolate, and I painted my stems and doing the little accents on my pumpkins with just a number 4 round. Also went in earlier with the color Savannah Mist and painted my bumpers and my windshield glass. I'm going in now with the color Putty, and I'm base coating the hay that's coming out of the truck. I'll also use this to go over all of the little accents on my pumpkins. And again, I'm still just using a number 4 round for this. It definitely helps to use a smaller brush doing some of these more detailed spots. Just going in and brushing down the side of my stems to kind of make it look like the sun is hitting it. Then going in and painting my little crow here black. And then I'm going to go in and paint his nose in the color Colonel Mustard. And then I'm going to finish off my base coating by painting my tires black. Then I'm going to let everything dry completely. And I'm going to go in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker to outline everything. And then following that, I'll go in with a little bit of the color Cotton and a number 4 round and highlight here and there just to brighten everything up. And then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.